Have you ever wondered where the pizza that you are eating today came from? The origin of pizza can be traced back to ancient times, with various cultures like the Egyptians, Romans, and Greeks consuming flatbreads with toppings. However, the modern pizza as we know it today, with its tomato sauce, cheese, and various toppings, originated in Naples, Italy. Ancient roots, flatbreads with toppings were common in several ancient Mediterranean cultures. Birth of modern pizza. In the late 18th and early 19th centuries, Naples became known for flatbreads sold by street vendors, often topped with simple ingredients like garlic, salt, lard, and sometimes tomatoes. A popular story attributes the creation of the pizza margherita to 1889 when Queen Margherita of Savoy visited Naples. Baker Raffaele Esposito is said to have created a pizza with tomatoes, mozzarella, and basil to represent the colors of the Italian flag in her honor. However, some research suggests this type of pizza existed before this event. Initially, pizza was mainly popular in Naples. It gradually gained recognition throughout Italy, especially after World War II. Italian immigrants brought pizza to the United States in the late 19th and early 20th centuries. The first documented pizzeria in the U.S. opened in New York City in 1905. After World War II, pizza's popularity soared in the U.S. and it eventually became a global phenomenon with countless regional variations and toppings. Therefore, while the concept of flatbread with toppings has ancient roots, Naples, Italy, is widely considered the birthplace of modern pizza.